On April 21st, 2026, the Hindu Youth Council HYC, Bhoi Mong Circle, along with Nongpo Circle President Tony Shella, met the distributor of Bhoi Gas Agency regarding the persistent non-supply of LPG cylinders for refilling over the past 2 to 3 months. The council also raised concerns that even after bookings are made, orders are reportedly being cancelled by the distributor's office within 2 to 3 days. The meeting followed complaints received from residents who have been facing difficulties due to the regular supply of gas cylinders despite confirmed bookings. Speaking to the media, Tony Shella stated that the prolonged shortage has caused significant inconvenience to consumers. He also highlighted that many residents have not received their gas cylinders for nearly 3 months, adding to their daily hardships. He further informed that the meeting was constructive, during which the distributor clarified that the shortage was due to operational disruptions at Kapmara. The HYC urged the distributor to take immediate steps to address the issue and ensure regular supply of LPG cylinders to the public.
Dia kutu ubah nakaliang jam vice president juga HYC na po werbong sakil layo ban syai ban alot ki jigo jingnam ba napo jong kate kan hak ide ka exam yakigas lani jinio yakigas ki ba jong kate kan nakaliang jong sing napo werbong sakil layo ban mi dan si ban ni kutu distributor ban kali sebab nakaliang jong iru ba HYC na po napo sakil ni sunat Sibun ya ka jige kran hak ide bat ki jige hak te kathan te ko balam hi pai ba kam ru ban thu nama ba ai don tha na ko por ba se gas ani gas ki duna ba ma na ka ki duna ba ki gas te layo usai ko ide ki duna jom stop ide gas lagi layo ko ya asuran ka ba sai ba akan dikenal kalau jingko rekam ko kamera bagi sabu ya beri bobian mai wala data stock kemudian beri information coba pak dan kantor dala nakali office dan bagian se komentar kalau crisis atau apabila bertigas dan kampan pak di tip ba nakali katau ting ni ke jingkom tip pak information bar kan warna jingek lah ya kan ke agency kita ngilak tentu nak lagi seng ba hidon kam ha ban chem nak kena kilat dan complexity lan nak kena kilanti au pai ba yo kan yo jikte sai nak ikatau ba duna gas lan nak kena katau apa ide boleh jika apply lan ban kiwi hidon kam